Big battery, slim design, absolutely stunning. Vivo T4 5G in just 60 seconds. That massive 7,300 mAh battery is paired with ultra-fast 90W flash charge. Stay powered longer, charge in minutes. The screen? A vivid 6.77 inches AMOLED, smooth 120Hz refresh, and dazzling 5,000 nits brightness. Under the hood, Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 pushes top-tier speed and efficiency with up to 12GB RAM. Capture with confidence using the 50MP camera and enjoy smart tools like AI arrays and Note Assist on Android 15. All this under Rs25,000 makes the Vivo T4 5G a compelling mid-range contender. What's your take? Value for money or not? Comment below and subscribe to the Smart Innovator. Also let us know which smartphone review you want next.